Hey guys, we got a brand new video. Oh my god, today we're gonna be showing you the streets like I did last time.
We're just gonna pee there. He's gonna pee. Look, watch him pee. He can't pee. He's like, shit, please don't let us know. Come
Is he
on.
peeing?
He's saying like a little baby. He's like, wow, this is snow? Wow.
Woodall.
This feels great. He's gonna pee there.
Okay, let's go.
Pee is yellow.
Oh shit. Oh.
He likes to jump around.
Dude, I got snow in my eyes.
Hey.
You could have told me, Tanya. I would have said, yeah, but she didn't tell me anything about you, my love.
Oh.
Tuesday, I don't think it's
Oh my god.
Woo, she like early today? Yeah.
Now we're gonna show you how to cross the street without your mom.
Feels like
First,
like what kind of movie?
you just hold on to your mom. That's the second thing. Joking. Sorry,
Remember there was
sister.
a movie?
What?
Remember there was a movie
Worry about what?
that it was snowing and then there was a lot of water, like a tsunami as well.
End of the world
Yeah, I think it was something
Or
like
San
that, like the
Andreas.
end of the world.
or San Andreas, where Dwayne Johnson was.
I don't remember. That was
The
a
Rock.
movie. Like that, it was like burning those people walking on the
Yo, can't believe karate's closed. Look. Wait, they closed already? Oh yeah, it's 3:56. Right, my bad.
your stuff.
Shit. I haven't come. I was working with my dad like up to 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock and until
Let's
6.
go, Puchi.
He was mad late. I should make that like 4.
Ajá, de
Ah.
Puchi, ven aquí.
Va a ser en el carro, déjalo.
Él huele, pero no puede como la nieve. Ahí va a ser.
Como la nieve la va. He's like, no, never mind. I
Como que
can't.
no puede balancearse. No, espérate. ¿Dónde se fue tu chamaco? Le gusta la nieve, como rica la nieve. Let's see,
Dude, my phone is gonna get wet right
over
now.
there.
Shit.
He's not peeing here.
Yo, he's like, no,
He
no,
needs
thank you.
balance. Hurry up, Puchi.
What are
He's
you
just laying
doing?
down.
Mételas por... Te voy a meter las botas por dentro para que no se te meta el agua para los pies.
¿Cuál?
Así como yo.
Oh, pero es que los míos son bien pegados.
Voy después de pasar más puesto un pan.
No sé.
Un pan.
Ya me voy a llevar los guantes de la media.
You want to snowboard right now? You're crazy, girl.
We have the snowboard.
Wanna go right now?
I don't think.
Let's
if
go
we
to
If you
Vermont.
wanna go snowboarding, you
Let's go to Vermont.
Has to go to our
Yeah, I
house.
remember I went with my friends to Vermont. It was this farm trip and all that stuff. After that, we went snowboard. I swear, we were like all the way up. You see that to that building over there? We were like all the way down over there. I swear.
Daddy.
Okay, I gotta stop vlogging about my dog. So what we're gonna do right now? Oh my god.
No me puches porque te está patinando. Te acuerdo primero, bueno, falta. Vente para acá.
Ya no se puede.
Vente para acá.
Si se está haciendo llegar allá en media hora.
That is so racist right there. 2 black. 1 brown. This sucks.
Mira, acá está el palo, no se ve. ¿Quieres el piscis? Ya déjalo así, te vas a ensuciar del lodo. Ya vamos. Ya.
Haz pipí, no quieres de pipí. No quieres, puto.
Lo iba a hacer a ver.
Yo, he's like,
Te va a pegar tu orina en la piel.
ah, dude, oh my god, yo, it's snowing worse. Yo, I should have taken him out like at 5 in the
from here,
morning.
we're going back.
I should have took him out like 5 in the morning. Cause 5 in the morning it wasn't snowing. Oh, right now it's snowing. I don't want to go. Dude, it's so blurry right now. Yo, what the heck is he doing? Yo, he's laying down. What the heck? Yo, what the heck is he doing? Why is he laying down?
I don't know.
You still haven't taken off the Christmas tree yet? Oh my god.
Yo iba a cruzar allá. No, iba a cruzar para allá.
So.
Ten cuidado porque ahí te puedes resbalar. Yo me resbalé.
You wanna go to Leonardo?
Acá para allá.
Yo, is Leonardo open? That's my question. If it is open, Bucci, lay down. Bucci, lay down. KSI! KSI! Oh shit! Ah! Yo, my hoodie! Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god, dude! Yo, I felt like the wind was so strong. I was like, oh shit! Goodbye, Bucci. Bucci. Oh my god. Yo, my hand is freezing. Yo. I can't do this. Yo. Oh.